This city surveillance camera acts as a primary input source for modern facial recognition algorithms. Because the hardware relies on mathematical calculation, there is a persistent assumption that its outputs are inherently objective and free from human prejudice. But as mathematical models achieve higher levels of complexity, they do not shed our biases. Instead, they increasingly replicate and scale them. Traditional computing provides a baseline. Standard software executes operations by following explicit, hard-coded rules written by a programmer. If X happens, then output Y. A basic automated sensor operates on a similar level of execution. It collects environmental data, but it possesses zero capacity to actually analyze or understand the information it gathers. True artificial intelligence represents a shift towards inference, attempting to interpret reality by processing data to reach an independent conclusion. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is defined by this capability. It learns patterns from robust datasets and uses those relationships to make independent predictions without being explicitly programmed. The intended function of these systems is to add value to human judgment, processing vast amounts of information to assist operators. Look at this representation of an artificial neural network. To understand how an AI arrives at a conclusion, we have to visualize the hidden architecture that processes its data. AI systems are prone to catastrophic failures in ethics, specifically because of how this hidden architecture perceives reality and processes the data we feed it. The shift from explicit rules to data-driven inference dictates that ethical considerations are no longer philosophical debates. They are urgent engineering constraints. AI systems do not experience the world as we do. They interact with reality through three highly specialized sensory domains. This visualization represents data science, the domain responsible for extracting actionable insights and patterns from large, unstructured datasets. That data feeds the second domain, natural language processing, or NLP. This acts as the bridge between human communication and machine understanding. The machine does not read text. Instead, NLP performs lexical, syntactical, and semantic analysis to mathematically detect sentiment and categorize user intent. In this LiDAR feed, we see the third domain, computer vision. This enables the system to interpret visual inputs from its environment. Computer vision does not perceive spatial reality like the human eye. It analyzes millions of labeled pixel datasets to accurately classify objects within a frame. These three domains are merely sensory organs. To synthesize this ingested information, they require a central algorithmic engine. Deep learning serves as that engine, representing the most advanced frontier of machine learning technology. It operates using artificial neural networks, an architecture that is directly inspired by the structure of neurons and synapses in the human brain. This structure begins with the input layer, the specific nodes responsible for ingesting the raw sensory data collected by the machine. From there, the data enters the hidden layers, fracturing into hundreds or thousands of interconnected pathways. Inside these hidden layers, the algorithm simultaneously calculates probabilities and extracts features across multiple levels of abstraction. Finally, the processed information reaches the output layer, which delivers the system's final prediction or decision. This creates the black box phenomenon. Because the machine generates its own complex weighting patterns within the hidden layers, engineers often cannot map exactly how a specific decision was reached. This unmapped complexity is a severe vulnerability. Systemic errors can remain entirely invisible within the deep network until they manifest as real-world harm. P was deployed to match suspects against a criminal database. The system failed in deployment. It disproportionately misidentified people of color, leading directly to a higher incidence of wrongful detentions and arrests. The root cause was located at the input layer. The training data fed into the system predominantly featured white faces, severely lacking demographic diversity. The neural network's hidden layers structurally optimized for the skewed data they received. The mathematical model successfully coded human historical blind spots into its decision-making logic. Environmental noise exacerbates the problem. Something as simple as a floating cloud casting a shadow across a face alters the incoming pixel data. Without diverse training data to distinguish a shadow from a facial feature, the algorithm falsely correlates the altered pixels with a wanted criminal. Algorithmic bias represents the machine operating flawlessly on corrupted human assumptions. The stakes of algorithmic architecture peak the moment an AI is granted physical autonomy in the real world. This excerpt from an AI ethics curriculum introduces the MIT Moral Machine, an online platform built to stress-test ethical dilemmas through interactive decision-making. The core conflict isolates an autonomous vehicle suffering sudden brake failure, forcing the system to calculate a lethal trajectory in a fraction of a second. Here, in Scenario 2, the vehicle must choose between continuing ahead to hit pedestrians legally crossing on a green signal or swerving into the other lane to hit pedestrians and animals flouting the law on a red signal. This is an active engineering constraint. Developers have to determine exactly how a neural network mathematically weighs the value of human life. Because current AI lacks general intelligence and the capacity for abstract thinking, it cannot navigate this dilemma organically. These lethal calculations must be resolved and hard-coded by human-defined ethical frameworks before the machine's tires ever touch the asphalt. This necessitates formal AI ethics frameworks, establishing external policy to enforce moral constraints on algorithmic behavior. As outlined in this curriculum index, the foundational pillars of these ethics frameworks demand rigorous focus on bias mitigation, fairness, and accountability. They also demand transparency, requiring that the machine's decision-making process is made clear and auditable to human operators. Look at this illustration of human-centric design. We must constantly weigh an AI system's capabilities against the ethical risks it introduces to society. Artificial intelligence functions as a mirror, reflecting the specific data and logic we choose to feed it. Solving the alignment problem requires us to fix the underlying data and correct the human assumptions at the core of the algorithm.